Hello everyone. Well, for today's video, I bought two small little Lego sets, and I thought that I would put them together for you guys and not tell you what they are and see if you can figure it out. I think it'll be pretty obvious by the time I'm done. So I have the instructions here off the screen, and I'm going to be following them and putting this together. So the first set is these two pieces, which are held together by this here. This goes on the bottom. And these two things go over the top, like this. And this goes here. And we put another one on this side. And we put another one on this side. Okay. Then we repeat this like that. So we have this very symmetrical box with two sticks coming out of either side. Kind of looks like a axle of a car. And let's see. This goes here on the bottom. Oops, excuse me. And this gets a small piece in there which fits right in there like that. And then we do the same thing with this one. And it fits on that side. Like that. Well, that completes the first page of instructions. We'll flip it over here. And start with a new set. These three go together like this and are held by this. And then we put these around the edges like that. And a blue one in the middle. And these around the outside. Then we reinforce with this. And that's it. And now we need to make another one of these. So this one here. Like that. These around the outside. This one in the middle. These spanning these two pieces here. And then finally that there. And these seem to be extra pieces in case we lost some. So then these attach just like that. Snapping together. And we have a little TIE fighter. Thought that was pretty cool shape. Oops. I always liked the TIE fighters from Star Wars when I was a kid. And this is the original Star Wars. I always liked the shape of them and the variations that they had. Much better than like the X-Wing. So I was kind of attracted to that. So now let's move on to the next one. We'll put this over here to the side. Dump out all of these pieces and open up the instruction book for this one. And we'll start building this one. We start out with this piece. And we add to it this one and this one. And then we add that. And that. And then these two things here. And that goes on the back like that. Then these go on. And then these two small ones go on. And then we have this circular piece here. Flanked by these two grill type shapes. And then there's a series of these blocks that just have the single stud down the middle. Oops, we put on one too many. Now we have to try to get it off. There we go, okay. That was all we need. Now the other side of the instructions. We have these small pieces here. That tip all four of these. And we're going to add that right there. This here. This here, and then a long one right like that. And we do add two more. Why didn't they just have us do that at the beginning? So that goes all the way to the edge. And this one sticks out. And we put another one underneath, like that. Now, we want two more here. And then a long one coming out of the back like that. Okay. Then we have this slanted grill shape that covers up those. Another 3 studs there. Then we put on this, this, and this. Making sure I don't need those pieces. And then that goes on the top like that. And I believe that is finished. And so here we have one of the ships from the Clone Wars. Let's see if it actually says what it is. It is a Republic attack cruiser. So I am not as familiar with the newer Star Wars movies, but I did think it was interesting that the ships that were used for the Republic their shapes were mirrored in the ships of the Empire. So in the first 3 Star Wars movies, you had the ships being used by the good guys, and then in the last 3, you had the ships being used by the bad guys. So ships like this being the precursor of the Star Destroyers and stuff like that. So I thought that was a neat way in which to handle the evolution of the shapes of the ships. I always like things like that in science fiction. So here we have the 2 spaceships, obviously not in proportion, because many of these could probably fit inside of this. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like the Lego type of videos, and I will see if I can find some more small sets like this, or maybe a larger set to put together for you all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Twitter at ASMRvids, on Vine at ASMRvids, and I also have a Tumblr blog that is called Relax, It's ASMRvids. And on those different social media platforms, you can catch up on some of the behind the scenes things. I'll often put video ideas I'm working on, or little previews of videos that I have just worked on and am uploading. So thank you guys so much. I will see you later. Bye.